Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, tonight we journey to a magical world full of fun and fantasy. The magical world of Mr. Strauss Podcast.
For February 25th, on this day in Disney history. On this day in 1938, Disney's Mickey Mouse cartoon Boat Builders, featuring the voices of Walt Disney as Mickey.
Build your own boat. All you do is put it together.
Pinto Colvig as Goofy.
She's a humdinger.
Marcellite Garner as Minnie Mouse. And Clarence Nash as Donald Duck is released in theaters. The 7-minute short is directed by Ben Sharpsteen, who will go on to direct the animated feature film Dumbo. In the short, Mickey, Donald, and Goofy construct the ship Queen Minnie from folding component parts. But when Minnie launches the ship by hitting it with a champagne bottle, she whacks it so hard, once out to sea, the boat splits into its original parts again.
All you do is put it together.
Boat Builders was produced by Walt Disney and distributed by RKO Pictures.